Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this transponder key. You're going to need one of these 1632 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. I will take you straight there. I'm also going to need the flattest, smallest flat tip you can find. So what you want to do is take this small flat tip and just impress it right here. Do both sides. You can kind of feel a little pop once you stick it in, and then just twist. This comes out. This piece right here is like a little cover. So you can just use your fingernails and pull that out. And right there is a little board inside of there. So there's your board with the dead battery. Push out your dead 1632 battery. Your new one goes in, positive side facing upward. And then this tray, there's little notches right in there. This just slides right back in there. Put your little rubber cover back on. And this can only go one direction. Give that a good snap back together, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up.